Good morning, adventure seekers. It's the weekend of the Manx Club. A couple of them showed up here. The Donut Derelicts. Check out that exhaust turbo. Pretty cool. This is one sweet little dune buggy. Loads of fun. Love the rims and tires. Love the color. Sweet looking machine. Gonna have to get down to Pismo. Supposed to be a bunch of them cruising the beach today. Didn't see too many of them yesterday, but there'll be more out there today. So I gotta get down there. Here's another one. Looks like a fun little beast. Check it out. He's ready for some off-road adventure. Gotta like that. If for anything with this beast, I like it. Arizona plates even. That's good. Cool. Right. What else we got around here today? Alright, we still have Ida setting up, doing her work. We got Ray's Camaro, built from the ground up. Talk about a work of art. Painted it, built it. Name it, 68 Camaro. Homemade, not store-bought. Like that. Then Ida's business coupe. The 350 stroker. She means business with this coupe. Alright, corner of Clark and Bradley every Sunday morning. Bring what you got. Free to enter. You might win something. So come on down. Show us your ride. Alright, what else we got today around here? Let's check it out. Little bent axles. Nice looking pickup truck. 1948 Chevy. I like the looks of this baby. Done up right. Check out the bed. Sweet. And one of my favorites. Woody. This thing's hot. 1937. Always spotless. Beautiful inside and out. Definitely bring a smile to your face cruising around in this baby. I like it. What's we got here? 1956 Bel Air. Like the color combo. Interior's restored nicely. Good looking ride. And then Hell No Performance 33 Vicky. Street racing machine. Love this thing. He's got it dialed in. Check out that engine. Alright, how many horsepower do you think this beast develops? Just about 550 or so? Yeah? Not gonna dyno it, you don't care. You just want it to go. This thing's awesome. I love it. Love it, man. I need two of them. 59 pickup truck. It's got the hood open. Check it out. Sweet looking ride. Spotless engine bay. Pretty cool. I'm liking it. And cruising in. The old school Corvette. Nice. Sweet looking vet. Parking right next to the brand new Corvette. Jet black. You got the Stingray. And you got the brand new Corvette. Wow. Like that. Keep that shined up. Cool looking Chevy truck here too. ZR2 2022. Sorry about that. Nice looking street racing Chevy Camaro. Gotta like that. We also got over here hiding out. Toyota Land Cruiser. It's a good looking ride right there. It's dialed in. Nice rims and tires. It's ready for action. I heard they just opened up Rockfront. One trail's open. So you might have to get out there and get this thing dirty. This'll do it. Take you wherever you want to go in style with this Land Cruiser. Climb up anything. 59 Ford F100. Totally customized. Built from the ground up. This thing's a beauty. Love the battleship gray with red and black pinstriping. Nice. Like that. Cruising on in with the Porsche Galaxy 500. That's a looking ride. Looks like the original engine in this beast. Interior does look good though. It's original but seriously clean. I like it. Lincoln Continental Lowrider. Cruise on down the road. Lincoln. Check out this Ranger. Ford Ranger pickup with the cool patina. No use painting it. I think it looks better the way it is right now. It's got the engine dialed in. This thing's ready for work or show. And of course we got the Hellcat. Gotta like it. Loving the Hellcat. 700 horsepower of serious meanness. So if you don't want to build one, just buy one. Get you wherever you want to go in a serious hurry. And if you want to go someplace in a serious hurry, get the fabulous Fury. The Furious Fury. It's even got racing slicks on it. He is ready. Ready to be fast and furious with this thing. Of course, the old 2015 Slingshot SL. Always get you where you want to go in style with this baby. Like the street racing boys are rolling in. The Nissan Nismo. They're convertible looking. Looks like they're ready to sell some machines today. I like it. Well, that's the job you want to have. Cruise around in some nice rides. I like it. Ford. Get down to the Ford dealership. Might be able to ride home in something as cool as this. I love the convertible action. It's the way to do it. Could be yours. Let's see what it's going to take. Only $47,000 and you are rolling out the door in a Ford 5.0 convertible. GT action. An MX-5. Like that. A Nissan Z-Mobile. Looking good. The serious adventure machine right here. You go, boy, you go. That thing sounds deep. I need to get me one. Maybe I need two of them. Uh-oh. You're boiling over there, buddy. You must be running hot. You're leaking radiator fluid. Oh man, where'd you get this beast? This thing looks fun. Ay caramba. I like that. Check out Ford Lightning. A mean looking power plant in this beast. Gotta like that. This thing's dialed in. It's one good looking truck. I'm liking it. Major modifications. It's ready with a nitrous bottle mount. Special tank. Wow. Ford Racing action. It's one good looking ride, man. Check out that air cleaner. No problem getting air through that baby. All right, rolling on in. What a beautiful ride. One good looking Ford right there. 1933. Like to see one of those electric vehicles last that long. Although it'll be as hazardous waste.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, that's enough of the Derelicts today. I think I'm gonna head on down to Pismo. Check out the Manx. Yeah. Check out this thing. You have a Mercedes, might as well throw in a serious engine in the beast. Get yourself some reliability and some power. He's messing around. You gotta have a shoehorn to put that thing in there, but he did it. That thing's radical. Yes, sirree. will get you where you need to go. Mercedes 450 SL. Just hope you don't have a lead foot. Oh, cruising on in. Cool looking Ford. Old school, cool pickup truck. Beautiful. Love it. Sounding good too. Man, she's a beauty. He's turning on the air conditioning.
Hey man, that thing.
All right. Yeah. A little VW action. It's got more windows than a skyscraper. You got the rack to get everywhere you want. You go camping, whatever you want to do in this baby. These things are nice. The Beeble Festers. Oh, check out that stereo on the back too, man. This thing must sound rad. Haha. The serial woofer in the back. This thing must bounce on down the road when you turn up the stereo. Nova SS. Little street racing machine. Not like that. Fun ride. 1950 Chevy. This is one good looking machine right here. Love it. And the Cutlass Supreme. Grandfather's machine. Oh, there we got the school bus rolling on in. El Camino action. It's even got the trunk open. Looking good. Love this, man. Thank you for your service. Veteran owned 327 El Camino. Check out this Cobra engine Ford. Love it. Looking good. Liking it. Got to get a close up. The school bus. Chevy time. Get you where you gonna go in style. Go camping in this thing, man. 1949 school bus. This thing will teach you some lessons here. If you gotta go to school looking cool.